Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from your HDFC Bank account to a UK bank account in 2025. With new regulations making cross-border transfers faster and more secure, this is a must-know for anyone dealing with international finances. Whether you're sending money for studies, family, or business, I've got you covered in this quick guide. First things first, make sure you have your HDFC net banking set up and your UK bank details ready. Start by logging into your HDFC account through their official app or website. Look for the Funds Transfer or International Remittance section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Step 1. Select the International Transfer option. In 2025, HDFC has streamlined this with options like SWIFT or faster alternatives like RTGS for quicker processing. Enter the recipient's details carefully, including their UK bank account number, sort code, and SWIFT code to avoid any delays. Next, choose your transfer amount and currency. The system will show you the current exchange rates, so keep an eye out. Rates can fluctuate, and HDFC might have competitive ones in 2025 due to new partnerships. Don't forget to check for any transfer fees. They could range from 0.5% to 2% depending on the amount and method. Before confirming, verify everything twice for security. HDFC now requires two-factor authentication, which is a game changer for preventing fraud. Once you're good, hit submit, and your money should be on its way in 1 to 3 business days. A few pro tips. Always use a secure internet connection, and consider the best time for transfers to get favorable rates. If you're transferring large sums, check for any tax implications or limits set by UK regulations. There you have it. Easy money transfer from HDFC to the UK. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.